Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert this date into only month and year format. So I have date, month, year, and then now I'm going to convert this entire dates into only month and year format. So I'm going to use text function here, text, and then I'm going to select the cell reference which is J6, and now I want only month, name, and then year. So you can see 124. It's look ugly when you add comma. So let's add forward slash. So it looks nice and easy to read. Let's drag the formula. So this is how you can uh, shorten the dates. But what if you want to let's say add like month and date? Also you can do it. Month, year we have done here, so you can do similar way for month and date also. It depends on you, like what is your requirement. So let's say you want only month and year. Make sure you select which is month, and which is year. Let's say you want to cover entire month, I mean with full format. You can add 4 times y, 4 times m, and let's see what will happen. So now it is mentioning as January 2024, and also it will apply same to the other rows. So we don't want this format because it's kind of not our requirement. Our requirement was to be month and year precisely. So I'm going to back to apply the same formula. So this is how you can change your date format into short month and year format. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.